Hey guys, in this video, I'm gonna show you how to take two different photos in BeReal. So let's get into it. First of all, click on the notification from BeReal. The trick here is knowing how the two images are combined together as a post. Although it is known that both front and rear camera are captured simultaneously, there is actually a gap in between. The images are processed in between each capture. Therefore, there is a certain amount of time to reframe your shot. To take two different pictures, keeping the gap in mind, frame your shot and click the shutter. And then immediately turning your camera so you can take another shot. Well, there you have it. If this video was helpful, please give us a like. And don't forget to subscribe to our channel so you don't miss out our new uploads. Thanks for watching and I will see you in the next one.